हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज की वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं कन्वर्जन ऑफ ए प्राइवेट लिमिटेड इनटू ए एलएलपी। अब इस प्रोसेस को करने के लिए हमें कुछ कंडीशंस देखने पड़ती हैं कि क्या कंडीशंस हमारी फॉलो हो रही हैं या नहीं हो रही हैं। तो पहली कंडीशंस है ऑल द मेंबर विल गिव देयर कंसेंट फॉर द कन्वर्जन ऑफ ए प्राइवेट इनटू एलएलपी। सेकंड, ऑल द मेंबर विल बिकम द पार्टनर्स ऑफ द एलएलपी। थर्ड कंडीशन इज कंसेंट ऑफ ऑल क्रेडिटर्स रिक्वायर्ड। The fourth one is no open charge should be pending against the company. The fifth one is the company should have share capital. The sixth point is there is no pending prosecution against the company. The seventh point is the company should not be a Section 8 company. Eighth point is all the income tax return should be filed up to date. The ninth point is all the forms and returns required to be filed by the company is up to date with the ROC. Now we move on to the procedural part for the conversion of a private limited into a LLP. First, meeting of the board of directors of the company. Call a meeting for a board of directors. Then pass resolution for the conversion. Then request this resolution to authorize any director to file all the forms with the ROC. Second, application for the name obligability. The company will have to apply for reservation of name of LLP and get name approval certificate from ROC. Third point, filing of the incorporation form with required documents. File form Philip with ROC along with the following attachments, that is address proof of the registered office. Second one is subscription sheet. Third one is consent to act as a director or partner. Fourth one is identity and residential proof of the all designated partners or partners. And the last point is detail of partners or designated partners. Following documents are attached with Form 18. First, statement of the consent of all shareholders. Second, list of all secured creditors along with their consent. Third, statement of accounts of the company certified as true and correct by the independent auditor. Fourth, copy of acknowledgement of the latest income tax return. Now, after filing all the forms and formalities by the company, ROC will check and issue a certificate of incorporation and conversion for a private limited into a LLP. After getting the certificate of incorporation of the LLP, now we will draft a LLP agreement and file Form 3 within 30 days of the incorporation of the LLP. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any query, you can call or email us at below mentioned address.